Hi and welcome to Tarot Made Easy. If you're struggling to remember all the 78 tarot cards, well, this series is for you. I'm Galloway. I'm the author of 21 Doors of Tarot Story, and I want to enlighten you to a simple and easier way to remember the card meanings. A way that will help you embed the meaning within your subconscious mind, which is your memory bank. And this will help create a deeper connection with the cards, eliminating the need to reference the guidebook. Let's jump right in and continue on at door number 4, where the Fool meets the Emperor. Now at door number 3, the Fool met his mother figure, the Empress, and now at door number 4, the Fool will meet his father figure, the Emperor. And you know, like all father figures, they're the ones who set the rules. The Emperor teaches the Fool the importance of order and structure. He sets the rules and regulations just to ensure that the Fool's path is safe and stable. He reminds the Fool of the importance of tradition and to remain grounded as he navigates this new level of independence. The Emperor is full of logic and reason, and he is a man set firm in his decisions. He is the boss and to be obeyed. The Emperor likes to get things done according to his carefully laid plans and could become quite upset if things don't go his way. I always say that it's his way or the highway. He desires results above all else. And the Emperor, if he's going to do something and he says he's going to do something, he will follow through. He will follow through on his word. The Emperor is always an authoritarian, a man who should never be messed with. He teaches the Fool the value of structure and discipline and responsibility. While, creativity and new ideas are wonderful, but without order and logic, things could come very quickly unstuck. So it's through strong leadership and solidarity that the Fool will gain respect that he deserves on his journey. The Emperor, like all great leaders, are known for their indomitable will, their accountability, and the fact that they just get the job done. So the Emperor uses his assertiveness to show the Fool ways to step up and to take control of his life. Do you have an Emperor in your life? Someone that follows the rules, takes control, creates order, and just gets the job done without making a fuss. So in our next video, we're going to recap the first 5 cards of the Major Arcana. So I'll see you there.